guys, I am back with another video. As you can see, I'm doing a wig review right here. This wig is from So Good Hair. This is the box right here. Loki didn't make it in the mail, but that's okay. So basically it just says So Good Hair with this woman on the front, and it's like shaped as an S. Super cute. And then they have their website right there. It's just sogoodhair.com. Then on the back it just says the wig care information, and then they have their like social media. They got their Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and then they have their email and their number. So here it goes so you guys can see. Alright, y'all, so I just want to like low-key like brush it out, see how big it's gonna get like before I wet it. I just want to see how big it gets. This is kind of cute. This is actually kind of cute. This big poofy look, actually really cute. I just want to brush it out. Whoa, this is actually cute. Hold on. I actually really do like how it is right now. The big frizzy look. Alright, so this is how big the hair gets if you just brush it out, okay? I'm gonna show you guys the length in a minute. So the length, it comes to right here, 24 inches right here, and then the back, it comes to right here if you like stretch it out, but like right here. This is like a big hair, and it's too hot for this, so I'm gonna spray it with some water, and I'm gonna use my handy dandy mousse right here and just put that all over the hair. Y'all, so this is with mousse and water, and this is without and just brushing it out. Look at a huge difference, okay? Look at this wave curl pattern, whatever. Like, can we just take a moment, please? This is what it is wet, and this is what it is dry. The different lengths. lay the lace, but I actually want to try something new. I'm seeing people lay the lace before they cut the lace. I don't know, I just want to try that. I just want to see if it's better, if it's easier. So I'm just gonna push everything back, all the baby hairs. I also got everything straight, so I'm gonna spray some Got2b glue. I just really hope this works. I don't know. So one thing that I did make a mistake on is I need to put foundation on before I did this. So I don't know what I'm about to do, but we're about to cut the lace. So I don't even know if it did anything. I don't know if it's like the same. Like, so I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and just go in with foundation like this. I've been seeing people do this too, so we can see. Just like dab it on there. What to do now is my edges. You guys know, really don't need baby hairs to be honest, but I love edges, so I'm gonna put some. Got my mousse and then my toothbrush, and I'm just gonna do these baby hairs. This is drying or whatever, I forgot to show you guys what it actually came inside the box. So they give you some more combs and clips, and they give you a elastic band, and then they give you some eyelashes, and then they give you some weight cap. The construction cap, we have a comb right here, 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, and with adjustable straps. Okay, I don't know why I forgot to do all of that. you guys, so this is the finished look and this is what the lace is looking like. Pretty good. Okay, everything about this hair will be in the description box down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Toodles.